tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Punt Away. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. Alright, so here's the setup for Punt Away. Now you're going to have a basket. I have a towel underneath. You guys can use a yoga mat, you use a t-shirt, a blanket, whatever you have. I have a yellow cone here. That could be any marker. Again, a stuffed animal, shoot, whatnot. Okay? And we're going to create our own football. Now the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to use 3 pairs of socks. Okay? And I'm just going to simply fold them all together and create my football. So I got my 3 pairs of socks rolled up now. I got this ginormous sock ball right here. Okay. Now we're going to be focusing on punting. So if you never punted before, you're always going to have to step with the opposite foot. I am right-footed, so my left foot is going to go forward. My back foot is actually going to be the one that's going to kick it. I'm going to place 2 hands out front. When I'm ready to start swinging my leg forward, I'm going to drop the object and then kick and follow through. Okay. If you are left-footed, your right foot will go forward. Again, 2 hands out. When you're ready, drop and then kick and follow through. Opposite foot, bring it out, 2 hands, step, kick, try to make it through. We're going to try to punt and try to make it in the basket. If you are able to punt it and make it onto the towel, that is going to be worth 1 point. If you are able to punt and make it inside the basket, that's going to be worth 2 points. Okay? So we're going to have 1 minute to try to score as many points as we can. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. All right, that's 1 point. 2 points. Oh, just came off. Almost went into the basket. You're out there, drop a comment below, cheer on Mr. Garcia. Oh, almost. That looks good. Come on, what is that? Oh, so close. Boom, there it is. And time. So right at the end, Mr. Garcia was able to punt it and make it in the basket. So, can you guys beat my score? Drop a comment down below. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of Punts Away. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the activity. What fun ways can you change it up? Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to use our hashtag, the PE spot. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.